Hello, so this side Priyanka, and you are watching me on the channel Hustle with Priyanka. So I had got a comment that a sister, she wanted a scholarship video, uh, and she wanted to do her MCA in India through scholarship. So initially, I was not also sure about the like scholarships and all, so I did search and all, and then got to know about this scholarship, which is Silver Jubilee Scholarship Scheme. This is the scheme through which India provides scholarship to the Nepalese student for MCA. Like there are multiple scholarship scheme through which Indian government support Nepali student to get study in India with scholarship. So this is one among it, and this is particularly for the MCA students. So if you want to see, like if you want to apply for this scholarship, these are the things, like all the things has been provided, clearly provided in this website, which is indembk.kathmandu.gov.india, and like it is a website of Indian Embassy. And also you can directly visit the website which is which provide this scholarship, which is this one, which is this ICCRC website. So if you don't know about this website, you will get like this website link in this option itself, like how to apply. So here you can see, if you click in this link, you will be redirected to this same website. It's actually taking time to load, but it is the same website which so you can see here, it is like admission to alumni, it is same website. Sorry. So these if you go through this website, you will be able to know what are the requirements, and when this opening and everything happens for this particular scholarship, and using this scholarship you can get a well in the degree MCA and study in full scholarship. So to make it in easier way, I have mentioned the documents which could be included for this applying for this scholarship, which is passport size photograph, and then copy of your relevant passport pages, citizen certificate translated into English, birth certificate and its translations into English, and character certificate in English and translated in English. So as I also mentioned in my previous videos, that passport is something which is actually required for so many procedures. So please do have passport if you are trying to have scholarship in India, because you never know in what sense you are going to use that passport, and there are so many things which happens for which you need passport. So here also you can see, for this scholarship you need passport size photograph along with this copy of relevant passport pages. So please make sure to have passport. And for eligibility, it has mentioned that applicants must be between 18 and 30 old on the date the 8-2 portal opens for that year application process. So it's like the applicants should be of 18, under 18 to 30 years old, and this scholarship is provided from ICCR. And through this scholarship, a Nepali student get a fully funded opportunity to study MCA in India. So please do check out this website for applying for this scholarship. And also you can see the tentative month of opening is February or March. So it's actually gonna be coming since it's already January. So make sure to look at this website and try to apply for this scholarship if you are eligible. And that's all in this video. I'll be seeing you in the another video. Thank you.